In today's video, I'm going to teach you Docusign eSignature, how to configure common recipient fields. 5 minutes. We'll move from upload to send, focusing on the common recipient fields you'll place on your document and how to configure them correctly. Start by logging into your Docusign account. From the home screen, click Start and upload your document. You can add multiple files if needed, and Docusign will merge them for a single envelope. Make sure your pages appear in the right order before moving on. After your document is in place, add your recipients. Enter the people who need to sign or complete information and set their roles if applicable. If there's more than one person, confirm the signing order so the envelope routes correctly. When you're ready, click Next to open the Prepare view, often called the tagging screen, where you'll place and configure fields. At the top left, select the intended recipient from the drop-down before you place any fields. This is crucial because every tag you drop will be assigned to the recipient currently selected. If you're working with multiple recipients, the color-coded tags help you keep everything straight. Now drag the fields you need onto the document. The essentials include signature and full name, but you can also use text fields for custom entries and initials where needed. Place each field exactly where the signer should interact. Use the snap guides to align fields neatly and keep spacing consistent for a professional look. Click any field to open its properties. Here you can mark a field as required so the signer can't finish without completing it. Use read only when a field should display information without allowing the signer to change it, and add concise tooltip text to guide recipients on what to enter. Keep tooltips short and clear so they're helpful without being distracting. For text fields, the validation option is your best friend. Choose a predefined format like numbers only, email, or currency to reduce errors. If you're capturing structured data, validation ensures you get clean, usable input. You can also set character limits and default values to speed up completion. Don't forget the date signed field. Drop it near the signature, and Docusign will automatically populate it with the date the recipient signs. If your document requires a particular display format, adjust it in the field properties. When everything looks good, use Preview to double-check recipient assignments and field placement. Then click Send to route your envelope, or save it if you want to come back later. That's it. Clean, accurate recipient fields that make signing fast and error-free.